5 Best Dirt Bike Helmets. We are going to check out top 5 best dirt bike helmets in current time. I mean, this list is best my personal opinion. And I try to list them best on their price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about this dirt bike helmets, you can check out the link down in the description and comment section below. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Top 5.
Vega Helmets VRX Advanced Off-Road Motocross Dirt Bike Helmet, Blue Venom Graphic, Medium. Advanced strong and lightweight polycarbonate shell. Multi-channel airflow system with fully vented EPS. Removable, washable, replaceable max flow liner system. Value-packed helmet loaded with technology. 5-year warranty. Your VRX off-road helmet is backed by our industry-leading 5-year warranty.
Top 4.
One Storm Adult Motocross Helmet BMX MX ATV Dirt Bike Helmet Racing Style HF801. Matte Black. DOT approved. M, 55 to 56 cm, 21.7/22.0 inch. Lightweight durable aerodynamic thermoplastic alloy shell. Heavily cushioned and comfortable interior. Beautiful glossy UV protective finish. Removable and washable padding.
Check out the description for more information and latest price. Top 3.
WOW Youth Kids Motocross BMX MX ATV Dirt Bike Helmet Shark Red. DOT approved. L, 53 to 54 cm, 20.9/21.3 inch. Lightweight durable aerodynamic thermoplastic alloy shell. Heavily cushioned and comfortable interior. Beautiful glossy UV protective finish. Removable and washable padding.
Top 2.
WESTT Dirt Bike ATV Motocross DOT Motorcycle Helmet Dual Visor Off-Road Full Face. Light and comfortable, perfect for motocross, dirt bike, ATV and off-road. Lightweight ABS shell weighs only 3.5 pounds, 1600 G, with shock-absorbent multi-density EPS for a safe ride. Certified for the USA, FMVSS number 218 motorbike helmet legally approved for use across the USA. Dual visor, anti-scratch outer visor that's easy to remove and clean and integrated sunshield. The outer visor can also be removed if you prefer to use motocross goggles or glasses. Comfortable interior, comfortable padding that creates a good fit around your head and face. The lining is removable and washable and there's many ventilation points for a cool ride.
Top 1.
GLX Unisex Child GX623 DOT Kids Youth ATV Off-Road Dirt Bike Motocross Helmet Gear Combo Gloves Goggles for boys and girls, modern blue, large. Impenetrable in safety, light in weight, and elastic in design to provide optimal impact absorption to exceed DOT standards. High-quality EPS liner material throughout the entire chin bar for enhanced impact absorption. An aerodynamic shell containing an advanced cooling system designed with boasting 14 intake and exhaust vents in total to maximize airflow. Multi-density EPS liner yielding advantageous cooling passages throughout the helmet itself. Cosmic peripheral field of vision utilizing a monumentally secured opening. Adjustable shatter-resistant visor with high-grade steel screws tested for optimal rooster tail smut protection, and secure mounting positioning. Containing an advanced mouth guard, aluminum mesh protective screens, quick-release chin strap and fully removable, washable, and replaceable microfiber inner material to provide an equilibrium of style, functionality, as well as safety.
All of the items are available on Amazon.com. I have included all the link in the description. You can check out the link for latest price. Guys, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the link button below, share with your friends and be sure to subscribe.